Before you invest even $1, one CD, or in any crypto coin, there are things you must understand because investment can even change your life or drain your account back to zero. Today, I'm sharing the most important things you must know before investing, especially if you're a beginner. If you want to build real wealth and avoid costly mistakes, this video is for you. First step is very simple. Know why you are investing. The first thing you must know before investing is your purpose. Why are you investing? Is it for your retirement, financial freedom, or just quick money? Here is the truth. If you don't know why you are investing, you will panic when the market goes down. Even serious investors has clear goals. Your goal determines what you should invest in, how long you should stay invested, and how much risk you can take. The second thing you must know is investment is not for making money quickly. This is very important. Investing is not gambling, it's not betting, and it's not for making money quickly. Anyone promising you can double your money in 1 week, there is a guaranteed returns, and there is no risk is lying to you. Real investing is slow, boring, and disciplined, but it works over time. The goal is consistency, not excitement. The third thing you must know before investing is every investment has risk. Being it business or whatever that you are investing in, it has risk. Before you invest, you must understand risk management. There is no investment without risk. Stocks can go down, crypto can crash, just like a crash recently that people even committed suicide and other stuff. Business can fail. Higher returns always come with higher risk. Those trading crypto know this. The profit that you earn from trading at a loss of zero point 0.5 can't be compared to trading at a loss size of 0.01. So never invest money you need for rent, food, or emergencies. Rule number one, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. The fourth point is know what you are investing in. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is investing in things that they don't even understand, businesses that they don't even know how they make their money. If you can't explain how the business makes money, how the asset has value, and what could cause it to fail, then you shouldn't invest in that business. Never invest because a friend said so. People are talking about it. It has hype. It is trending. Knowledge protects your money. Furthermore, diversification is your safety net. Another thing you must know before investing is diversification. Don't put all your money into one stock, one crypto, or one business. Spread your investments. Just like there is this adage saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from one bad decision destroying your entire career that you've built. Another point is time is more powerful than money. Most people think you need a lot of money to invest. That's not true, and I can attest to that. What you really need is time. Someone investing small amounts consistently for 10 years will always beat someone who is investing big money once. Start early, be patient, let compounding work for you. To add up, control your emotions. Investing is emotional. When price goes up, greed sets in. When price falls, fear takes over. Fear makes people sell low, and greed also makes people buy high. Successful investors don't react to emotions, they stick to the plan. Your mindset matters more than the money that you are even investing. The last but not the least, you make mistakes, and that's okay. Every investor makes mistakes. Losses are part of the game. The goal is not to avoid mistakes, the goal is to learn from them and improve. The market is a teacher, and the fees are sometimes painful. The last point is start small, but start now. You don't need to wait until you are ready to invest. Start with what you have now. Small and consistent investment beat big inconsistent ones. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best is today. If you understand these things before investing, you are really ahead of a lot of people. On Legend TV, we don't chase hype. We build wealth with knowledge and discipline. If this video really helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel because legends never die.